Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. If you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look using this Khaki Haze Huda Beauty palette.
I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never.
This is a very subtle peach, very muted. Perfect for this look.
I never felt like this before. Felt like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Felt like this before. Yeah.
This is also a very subtle bronzer and it gives you that a little bit of shine. So it looks like it's gonna bring you back your skin after all that powder and foundation, after all the products that you put on your skin. So you can see on my forehead, I'm not even using any highlighter yet, but this bronzer brought my skin back, the dewiness, and it looks like it's just skin. Okay, I think we're ready for the lips. So along with the Huda Beauty Haze palette, I also got this super cute bag. Inside is a set of lip haze. With this lip haze set, there are 3 new shades and 1 has been in their collection, which is Venus. For my lip liner, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Lip Contour. This is their lip liner. It's in Trendsetter. Alright, so this is the lip liner Trendsetter. Next, I'm going to apply Venus. This is a liquid matte formula from Huda Beauty. Alright guys, so I would say that Venus has a peachy tone into it. It is nude, peachy pink, but it's more towards the peachy side. I'm also gonna swatch the 3 new shades from Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lips. I'm gonna start with the lightest. This one is the pink one and it's called Legend. Next one is Savage. This is one of my favorites. And then the last one is Billionaire. This one is the darkest one. Alright, so these are all the 4 colors, including in the Haze Liquid Matte Minis. You can buy this kit at hudabeauty.com for $45. It includes all the Haze Liquid Matte Lips. Also, you can choose which palette you want to be included in your kit. There is Sand Haze palette, Purple Haze, and this one is the Khaki Haze. I love this palette. I think it's very unique. Color choices is very unique and we haven't seen this kind of color story for a while now. These 4 shadows are not metallic, they're more toppers, and there is not going to be a lot of pigment. These are more toppers and not very pigmented metallics. If you're familiar with toppers of Charlotte Tilbury and Tom Ford, they're more on that kind of formula. They're very glittery, so if you're not into glitters, I don't think this is the palette for you. The mattes are beautiful. I struggle using this shade right here, which is the green, yellow, brown. It's very unique, although it changed the color when I used it on my eye. It turned out to be brownish rather than greenish. Alright, so I'm going to swatch all the toppers. These are the toppers. There are 4. This one is the orangey one. This one is the greenish, the khaki. This one is the gold one. And the pink one. So it's really hard to see in the camera. As I said, they are toppers. They're not very pigmented. They're glitters. Alright, so these are the swatches without glitter glue. And with glitter glue, this is how they look like.
Baby, let me know what you were thinking. Baby, let me know what you were thinking.
So I really recommend using glitter glue when you use these if you want them to show up really nicely. I also use glitter glue in the inner corner of my eye to show that golden one and really pop it. So as you guys can see, I used the khaki topper and orange topper. It looks like it's duochrome, combining the two. It's very pretty, and with that gold, it looks like it's very gradient. For the mattes, I really like how the color story for the mattes. I actually used this color, the lightest one, and it didn't appear grayish on my skin, which is very beautiful. So I really think that this is a very good buy and it's worth the hype. Alright guys, so I added lashes for more dramatic look. These are the Ardell lashes and I love individual lashes right now. I keep forgetting to lift my eyebrows. It's so important. This is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this look, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And see you in my next video. Bye guys!